incentives? Let me tell you, because of privatization. After, an array of schemes like Make in India, and Honorable Prime Minister was mentioning them in his address, in his intervention when he was addressing the House this afternoon. After BJP's all this flagship scheme, like Make in India, failed flagship scheme, Fit India, Khelo India, Stand Up India campaigns, now this government has come up with their most ambitious project. What is that project? So the project is Becho India. Considering their current strike rate, why I say Becho India, sir? Considering their current strike rate, if you take the leaders in the market space or the marketplace, they will surpass Amazon, Flipkart and OLX in the days to come. Sorry? Becho means sell India. They have come with their flagship scheme, which is Sell India. And why I say that, I just explained, because one after another, they have sent for privatization. Sir, will the proposal to disinvest LIC need an amendment in the parliament? If the answer to my question is yes, let me assure everyone, every citizen of this country, including the employees of LIC, the agents of LIC, the freelancers working with LIC, that Trinamool will oppose this to the core, including, Lok Sabha and in Rajya Sabha and outside the parliament as well. If required, we'll take this to the streets as well. Sir, I appeal to every member of this August House, including the BJP members who are present here. You talk about Desh Bhakti. You talk about patriotism. You talk about country's pride. You talk about Desh ke liye khada rehna. If you have the spine, show your spine, stand up for your country. Save LIC from privatization. Yes. I challenge all of you. If you have the spine, अगर ताकत है, दिल है, जोश है, दम है, तो रोक के दिखाओ इसको. हम तो रोकेंगे भाई. ये हमारा देशभक्ति है. हम फर्जी देशभक्ति में यकीन नहीं करते हैं कि आर्मी कुछ काम करे उसका क्रेडिट हम ले जाएं. अरे जहां पे देशभक्ति दिखाना चाहिए वहां दिखाओ. Where your patriotism should speak, use that platform. Why can't you stand up for your own right? Why, as if you don't know what is best in your country's interest, what is right and what is wrong? One after another, the jewels of the countries are being sold every now and then. You start with Air India, then Indian Railways, then IDBI, now LIC. Sir, LIC's policies cover 70% of those Indians who are insured. It is approximately 14 lakh agents and 90,000 full-time employees. Sadly, LIC didn't foresee and take out a policy to save its own life. You know why, sir? Because 37% of India, which voted for BJP, which voted for this current ruling party, they voted with aspirations, they voted with faith, they voted with, hopes in their minds, with optimism in their heart. LIC trusted you. LIC had faith in you. LIC supported you on your lows. LIC bailed out on your situation where central government was hand in mouth. And look what you have done. आपने उसी माँ को बेच दिया. आप नारे लगाते हैं भारत माँ की जय. अरे भारत माँ है, हमारे लिए भारत माँ है. माँ है तो उसकी हिफाजत करिए. माँ है तो उसको रक्षा करिए. माँ है तो उसको तकलीफ से दूर रखिए. माँ है तो उसका सम्मान करिए. माँ को सरेआम बाजार में ले आके कोई नीलाम नहीं करता है. ये जानना चाहिए आपको. और मैं क्यों बोलता हूं ये? पहले BSNL, फिर रेलवेज, फिर एयर इंडिया, IDBI और अब LIC. आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए. सर, इनके कुछ मंत्री बोलते हैं ना, क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए. मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूं कि पहले BSNL, फिर रेलवेज, फिर एयर इंडिया, फिर LIC और बहुत जल्द FCI, फूड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, BPCL भी, IDBI बैंक बहुत है. नाम गिनाने लग जाऊं कल सुबह हो जाएगा, जिस रफ्तार से आप जा रहे हैं. और मैं क्यों कह रहा हूं फूड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया? सर, व्हाई आई से फूड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया? दिस इज बिकॉज द बजट हैज स्लैश्ड food subsidy funds by 70,000 crores. 1.5 lakh crore is not enough to provide subsidized ration to more than 80 crore households who comprise the poor and the lower income groups across the country. Food Corporation of India, which ensures that poor Indians don't go hungry under the PDS system, will now have to borrow money to sustain itself. What can be a bigger shame? The government's unpaid bill to FCI is around 2 lakh crore, sir. So if this is taken into consideration and into account, the fiscal deficit is actually close to 5%. This comes at a time when the consumer food price inflation is at a 6-year high of 14%. This will hurt the poor and lower income groups most. So FCI is eventually the next. And this is going on record. आज मेरा स्पीच में यह बोल रहा हूँ, आप कल देख लेना ये क्या करते हैं. And what after that? You all can guess. Fertilizer subsidy has been slashed by 9,000 crore, which is down to 11.